Hello and welcome. My name is Anil Patel and I'm going to show installation of Microsoft Power BI desktop. So let's get started. So simply write Power BI in Google search. Write Power BI in Google search, then hit enter. Then here we have Microsoft Power BI data visualization. So first link, and I will share the link in description. Uh, then here in this home page of Microsoft Power BI, we have products. So click on products, and here we have multiple products from the Microsoft Power BI desktop, Power BI Pro, Power BI Premium, Power BI mobile, embedded reporting server. Okay, so we'll install Power BI desktop. So click on Power BI desktop. Then here we have download free, and if you wish to download in some other languages, so we have some other language options as well. So we cannot directly install Power BI in Mac OS, but we have different techniques which I will show in upcoming videos. So generally what I do when I use Power BI in Mac, so I have VMware VirtualBox and VMware and Oracle VirtualBox. So I prefer Oracle VirtualBox because with Oracle VirtualBox there is no limit, no licensing problem. So we can easily download Oracle VirtualBox and we can install Windows OS. Then how we are installing softwares in Windows OS, same we can install inside the Mac. So okay, anyway, let's get started. Then here we'll click on download free. Then it's giving prompt to open Microsoft Store. So okay, I'll click on Microsoft Store, and other options also we have. So we can simply go to the software dumps and we can download from the website only. And if we will click on see downloads or language options, so as soon as we will click, okay, now we have multiple options. So from here also we can easily download and we can install. So we have two options when we are installing Microsoft Power BI. So here we have details. So this is 2.85.2681.0 and it published on 22nd of September 2020, and it's available for 64-bit as well as 32-bit. And system requirements, if we have Windows OS, Windows 7, 8, 8.1, but I would recommend to upgrade OS to Windows 10. Okay, so if we want to download this, and you can select languages as well. So because I use English, so I have selected English. Then click on download. Then again we have options like, okay, I want download for 64-bit. Then I have selected the checkbox. Then click on next. Okay, so I'll keep it. Okay, so it's a 295 MB software, And okay, and another way is, let me check Microsoft Play Store, Microsoft, yeah, store. So here also we can launch. So you can see in my screen, just we have to click on launch. So this is also latest version. Whenever we are installing from Microsoft Store, always we are getting a latest version. So we'll click on more, and here we can see the details. And just we'll click on launch. We have three dots just next to launch. Here install on my device, or pin to start, or pin to taskbar. So it has already installed, and because I clicked 3 times, so it's you can see three installations going on. Okay, so after clicking launch, you can see the installation is in progress. Okay, so Power BI has been installed successfully, and this is Power BI desktop. So there are always two way in Power BI, whether from the Microsoft store we can install, or from the files we can download the setup, and we can just simply double click and next, and it will install successfully. So if you have liked this video, so please hit the like button and subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching.